Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your homes. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. Yes, today date is 20 July 2020 and we are going to start our next topic, that is moving a file or folder. Moving a file to a folder. So you can move a file to a folder by following the given steps. So if you want to move a file to a folder, then we have to follow these steps. So first step is click on the file that is to be moved. Firstly, we will select the file that we want to move in the folder. So then click on the more action button on the top right corner of the web page. So this one is your more action button. So select the move to option from the displayed list. After selecting this more action button, we have to choose more move to option from the display list. So select the folder from the display list of folders and click on the move button. The file moves to a particular folder, and after that we will select the folder where we want to move our file, and at last we have to click on the move button. So our file will be moved to a folder. So next one is how we can search a file or folder. फाइंड कैसे कर सकते हैं, मीन्स सर्च कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो यूजर्स कैन स्टोर अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फाइल्स on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. So sometimes it becomes difficult to locate a file among so many files. The searching feature of Google Drive enables you to look for a file using keywords that exist within the file or file name. You can search a file using three methods. So there are three methods. We can follow any one of them. So first method is to search a file by name. How we can search a file? By giving name. So first step is click on the search box. Firstly we will choose the search box that is in the shape of this one. After that enter the name of the file to be searched. A list of a file name appears and select the required file. The selected file opens. So first way you can see from here this one is your search box, and here we can write name of the file that we want to search. For example, here we are writing a computer, so it will open different files with name computer, and after that we can choose or select any file that we want to open. So the method second is to search a file using file type. फाइल की टाइप से कैसे सर्च कर सकते हैं, मीन्स PDF फाइल है, वेदर इट इज़ टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट, स्प्रेडशीट फाइल, प्रेजेंटेशन फाइल, पेंट फाइल. So click on the search box. A list of file types such as PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, etc. appears. And after that select the type of file that you are looking for. All the files of the selected type appear. As if we want to search file using file type, then we have to choose search box, and after that all file types will appear. So any one file type we can choose, and according to that we can search. So the method third is to search a file using search options. So first step is click on the search options button located at the right end of the search box. A form appears. So which one search option we have to choose? This one search option in the shape of this one. So fill in the details on the form to search the required file and click on the search button. The required file appears in the search results pane below the search box. So when we will choose this search option button, then one form will appear. So here there is need to fill the form. We have to firstly give the name of the file type, each and everything we have to fill, and after that at last we have to click on the search button. So this is all about searching a file or folder. So the next one topic is how we can delete our files. Deleting files. So deleting a file from the Google Drive moves it to the trash folder. अगर हम कोई भी फाइल डिलीट करते हैं तो वो कहाँ पे चले जाती है? ट्रैश फोल्डर में. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू डिलीट इट परमानेंटली यू विल हैव टू रिमूव इट फ्रॉम द ट्रैश फोल्डर ऑल्सो. अगर हमने परमानेंटली उन फाइल्स को डिलीट करना है, देन वी हैव टू रिमूव इट फ्रॉम द ट्रैश फोल्डर ऑल्सो. सो इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट अ फाइल, देन फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सिलेक्ट द फाइल इज टू बी डिलीटेड and click on the remove button present at the top of the window. The file gets removed from the drive and moved to the trash folder. So firstly we have to select the file or folder, and after that we have to choose this remove button. So after that our file will be moved to the trash folder. So the If we want to delete the file permanently, then we have to select the trash in the navigation pane on the left. The trash folder appears. So here is your trash folder option. So select the empty trash option from the drop down menu of trash option. The file will be deleted permanently. And after that, after selecting the trash folder, we have to choose the empty trash option, and after that our all files that are stored in the trash will be deleted permanently. So students, this is enough for today. Take care students, have a wonderful day.